Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we will check the working of our Google Ads conversion tracking, and you can see here is our Google Pixel. Click on settings and you can see all the information is provided over here, like Gmail, Google Ads customer ID, GTM container ID, GTM account ID. Then next come the Google Pixel ID. These are the purchase, begin, checkout, add to cart, and page view labels. And next here comes the dynamic remarketing and pixel conversion status. These all statuses are active as we have done previously, and these statuses will be active by default as well. And these are the selected conversions, and like purchase conversion action, add to cart, begin checkout, page view, and source, and it shows our name as well, that is infinite pixel. So these conversion actions will be created by our app in our Google Ads account. So I have to click on go to container, click on it. It will get me in my Google Tag Manager in version 2. You can see here is the version summary, and if I click on these three dots, and I can preview by clicking on this preview, and I can also do the same thing either by clicking on my container. You can see this container is live, and click on these three dots and preview. So here I have to attach my store URL, click on connect, and so I am on my online store. Open any product. Make sure you must install the extension, that is Tag Assistant Companion, and the extension is activated here. Perform any activity and click on continue. You can see page view and add to cart is fired, and likewise I am performing activity. Now I will click on checkout. You can see begin checkout is also fired, and next I am making a dummy purchase, and our tag assistant is connected. Here I am on my thank you page. So purchase event is done. Let's see, is it fired or not. So purchase event is also fired, and remarketing tag is also fired. These are the fired events. You can see all the events has been fired. This is how Google Ads conversion tracking and GTM app works. I hope you have got the idea that how to use Google Ads conversion tracking app and check its working. So I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.